What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to work on the back of the Fiero again, and we're going to be working on these taillights. If you look really close, there are a bunch of scratches up inside of it. I'm going to try and remove these today with a buffer I have. So I'm going to use this buffer and some ultimate compound. All right, now I'm going to tape off all around this black trim and up around so I don't get any buffing compound on the paint or on the black. We're all taped up. Now it is time to polish these. I just finished going over with one pass on each side, and this is how it turned out. As you can see, there are still some scratches in it, but there's nowhere near as many as there were originally. I will show a before clip right now. And as you can see, there are not as many scratches on it at all. Now, I wasn't expecting to get these perfect because it's a 34-year-old car, but I think that this is a good improvement of what they were. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. I only used some Meguiar's Ultimate Compound and a buffer and a towel. And like 2 swipes, the entire thing was covered. And I think it is a pretty good improvement. It was just a short little video, but I thought I should make it. I'm sure there are some other people out there who have some OEM taillights and want them to look a little better. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.